If you're planning a trip to the United States, ESTA can make travel simple and easy. Through the Visa Waiver Program, ESTA allows qualified foreign travelers to visit the U.S. for up to 90 days without obtaining a visa. Applying for an ESTA is quick and easy through the official ESTA website at esta.cbp.dhs.gov. To start, simply click Apply and create new application. The ESTA site will walk you step by step through the application process, beginning with reading both the disclaimer and Travel 2009 clause. Once confirmed, you're ready to continue with your application. Next, you will need to upload a clear photo of your passport. It is critical that your passport information is current and accurate. You will also need to enter and confirm your email address to receive your application number and status updates on your application once submitted. At any time during the application process, your information may be saved for completion at a later date. However, a saved application must be completed within 7 days or it will be deleted. Also, note that payment is not due until your application is complete and submitted. Continue completing the personal and travel information steps, as well as answering key eligibility questions. Visual cues along the way will help ensure that you're providing all the necessary information. It is important that you review your application to make sure that all your information is correct before submitting. Once reviewed, simply click the Pay Now button to submit. If you are unable to pay at the time of submission, you'll be given a payment due date. If payment is not received by that date, your application will be deleted. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a notification via email that it was received. You will get notified of your status within or after 72 hours of submission. If you have any questions, our help desk is available 24/7 to assist with application completion or status updates. Once your ESTA is approved, you can travel to the U.S. for up to 90 days, and your ESTA is good for up to 2 years or until your passport expires. Let ESTA and the Visa Waiver Program be your ticket to an unforgettable trip to the United States.